Welcome to our channel. Today we embark on a journey into the heart of the plant kingdom, exploring the remarkable world of rare and exotic plants. But this is no ordinary expedition. We're not trekking through steamy jungles or scaling treacherous cliffs. Instead, we discover that the most extraordinary and unusual plants can thrive not in some far-flung corner of the globe, but within our very own homes. Get ready to discover some truly unique and fascinating flora, perfectly adapted to not just survive, but flourish in your care. In the dimly lit understory of a rainforest, we might find ourselves face to face with a pitcher plant, its gaping maw patiently awaiting an unsuspecting insect. But these fascinating carnivores aren't confined to the wild. With a little care and attention, you can cultivate these botanical predators in your own home. Imagine a Venus flytrap, its delicate toothed traps snapping shut on a hapless fly right on your windowsill, or perhaps a sundew, its glistening tentacles slowly enveloping its prey. These plants offer a glimpse into the ruthless efficiency of natural selection, reminding us that the line between beauty and danger can be exquisitely thin. High in the canopy, shrouded in mist and bathed in dappled sunlight, we find plants that have dispensed with roots altogether. Air plants, as their name suggests, draw sustenance not from the soil, but from the air itself. Their leaves, often covered in specialized scales, capture moisture and nutrients from the surrounding environment. Imagine a tillandsia, its silvery leaves catching the light like spun glass, perched delicately on a piece of driftwood. Or perhaps a cluster of Spanish moss draped gracefully over a hanging planter, its tendrils swaying gently in the breeze. These botanical aerialists remind us that nature is full of surprises, constantly finding new and ingenious ways to thrive. Chapter 3. Tropical flowers, a riot of color in your living room. The rainforest bursts with a kaleidoscope of color, a symphony of vibrant hues and intoxicating scents. But you don't need a plane ticket to experience this botanical spectacle. Tropical flowers can transform your home into a personal paradise. Imagine a bird of paradise, its striking orange and blue blooms resembling a crane taking flight, or perhaps an orchid, its delicate petals unfurling in a dazzling display of intricate patterns. These floral masterpieces bring a touch of the exotic to any setting. Their vibrant colors and intoxicating scents, a feast for the senses. Chapter 4. Bonsai trees, ancient wisdom, miniature wonders. In the heart of a Japanese garden, we encounter a bonsai tree. Its gnarled trunk and delicate foliage are testament to years of patient cultivation. These miniature trees are not a single species, but rather a work of art, carefully shaped and trained over generations. Imagine a miniature maple, its leaves ablaze with autumnal color, standing proudly on a tabletop. Or perhaps a graceful juniper, its evergreen foliage a symbol of resilience and longevity. Bonsai trees invite us to slow down, to appreciate the beauty of the miniature, and to find serenity in the art of cultivation. Chapter 5. Orchids, the aristocrats of the plant world. Orchids, with their exquisite beauty and captivating fragrances, have long held a place of honor in the plant kingdom. From the delicate petals of the phalaenopsis, often called the moth orchid, to the vibrant hues of the cattleya, these plants are a testament to nature's artistry. Imagine a cascade of white phalaenopsis blooms, their delicate petals resembling butterflies in flight. Or perhaps a cluster of vibrant vanda orchids, their intricate patterns and vivid colors a feast for the eyes. These botanical jewels, once considered a rarity, can now grace our homes, bringing a touch of elegance and sophistication to any setting. Outro, until next time, happy gardening. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of rare and exotic plants. Remember, you don't need a vast estate or a degree in botany to cultivate these wonders. With a little care and attention, you can create your own botanical sanctuary, a testament to the beauty and diversity of the plant kingdom. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing plant content. Happy planting.